Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact to a specific automation point in ActiveCampaign. This is incredibly useful when you want to manually move someone into a particular stage of your automation workflow, giving you more control over where contacts enter your sequences. Let's start by heading over to ActiveCampaign.com and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll need to access your automation workflows to set up the entry point where contacts can jump in. On the left side of your screen, click on Automations. This will show you all the automations you've created. Go ahead and select the specific automation you want to work with. This is where we'll create the entry point that allows contacts to be added at a specific stage rather than just starting from the beginning. Now look for the plus icon within your automation workflow and click on it from the options that appear. Select Workflow, then choose Jump To. This feature creates a conditional entry point in your automation, essentially acting as a gateway that contacts can be directed through based on specific criteria. Take a moment to give this jump point a meaningful name. Something descriptive will help you identify it later when you're adding contacts. Next, you'll see a field that says Select a Condition. Click on this and input tag. This means contacts will only enter this point if they have a specific tag assigned to them. You'll notice another field that says Nothing Selected. Click on this and choose the tag you want to use as the trigger for this entry point. Once you've made your selection, click Save. This locks in your conditional jump point and makes it active within your automation. Now that your automation is set up with this new entry point, let's add a contact to it. On the left menu, navigate to Contacts, browse through your contact list, and select the specific contact you want to add to this automation point. Once you've opened their contact profile, scroll down until you find the section labeled Automations. This area shows all the automations this contact is currently enrolled in or has completed. Click the Add button here, and from the drop-down menu, select the automation you just edited. This will immediately enroll that contact into your automation at the specific jump point you created, provided they have the correct tag assigned. And that's it. You've successfully set up a way to add contacts to specific points in your ActiveCampaign automations, giving you much more flexibility in how you manage your contact journeys. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.